Motion moved. Those in favor, please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now, zero our submissions. Sri V. Vijay Sai Reddy, I have a suggestion. Each member please confine to 2 minutes so that I can give some more. Today demand is more. मैंने दे रहा हूँ ना 3 मिनट बोलो फिर 10 लोग ही बोल पाएंगे ठीक चलिए मुझे आपत्ति नहीं आप बोलना नहीं है आप अभी क्या बोलना है जी आपको समझ दिया नहीं जब मिलेगा तब बोलिए 3 मिनट ही बोलिए मैंने सोचा कि बाकी लोगों को भी मौका मिलेगा सुझाव था अब सुझाव के लिए तैयार नहीं बस 10 लोग ही होगा बस विजय सारी मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम
थैंक यू चेयरमैन सर Sir, Polavaram project is a lifeline for Andhra Pradesh state, sir. It is a project that has been taken up by the central government, and the central government has to bear the entire expenditure of the project cost, sir. In fact, government of Andhra Pradesh has fixed a target of completion by December 2021, sir. Since it is a national project, all the funds have to be released by the central government, and to quicken the process, the government of Andhra Pradesh, without even waiting for the central government to release the money, it has started spending the amount. The outstanding amount as on today to be released to government of Andhra Pradesh is 3,805 crores, sir. And as asked by the government of India, as asked by the government of India, the CAG, Controller and Auditor General, has also audited the figures, and then it has confirmed that the amount of 3,805 crores is due to the government of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Honorable CM of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, has written a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister explaining the details of the problems that are being faced by the state, particularly economic crisis after bifurcation, particularly in the pandemic of COVID. Finding it extremely difficult to further spend money on the Polavaram project, and requested for immediate release of the funds of 3,805 crores, sir. Honorable CM of AP has also given the plans as to how the funds could be released for hassle-free release to avoid the possible delays, sir. In the light of the above, I request the Honorable Minister, Jal Shakti Minister, to immediately take measures to release the funds for the Polavaram project so that it could be completed by the target date of December 2021, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Associate. If you want, please, quickly. We'll be more than happy.
Sir, the honourable member has raised a very important issue, and it definitely matters in the interest of the national infrastructure projects also, because that being a national project. The discussion with the Finance Minister of Andhra Pradesh has been going on. I am also in touch with the Water Resources Minister so that we can get this cleared at the earliest, because there was this gap because of the CAG certification, which Andhra Pradesh has apparently given. We'll follow it up, sir. So it is not something.
Sri Dr. Vikas Mahatme and to Associate K.C. Ramurthy.
Rajya Sabha Gallery. One. Sir.
Please.
Sir, मैं एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर बोलने वाला हूँ. हाल ही में एक वेब सीरीज वर्जिन भास्कर करके रिलीज हुई थी, और उसमें हमारे पुण्य श्लोक अहिल्या देवी होलकर जी का लिए अपमानित दृश्य और आवाज था, तो जिससे बहुत ही गुस्सा हुआ है सभी शेफर्ड कम्युनिटी, खासतौर पर गडलिया, पाल, बघेल, बारवाड़, रब्बारी, गायरी, कुरमा, कुरुम्बा, ये सभी कम्युनिटीज़ इनको श्रद्धा स्थान मानते हैं, और बाकी भी समाज इनके तरफ आदर से देखता है, पुण्य श्लोक अहिल्या देवी होलकर की तरफ. लेकिन इसमें जो अपमानित किया गया था, इसलिए बहुत गुस्सा हुआ, रोष हुआ था, और इसके लिए इस जो वेब सीरीज में से ये निकालने के लिए हमारे मंत्री जी जावड़ेकर जी ने वैसे मदद करने की वजह से वो निकाला गया. लेकिन हमें नाटक या ड्रामा भी प्रस्तुत करना है तो एक सर्टिफिकेट लगता है, सेंसर बोर्ड का क्लैरिटी लगती है, लेकिन वेब सीरीज में गाली गलौच रहती है, सेक्स स्कैंडल्स दिखाते हैं, न्यूड सीन्स दिखाते हैं, और फिर भी फिर भी उसके ऊपर कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन या लीगल एक्शन ली नहीं जाती।
ठीक।
तो मेरा ये कहना है माननीय मंत्री जी से कि वह कोई कानून लाए जिसकी वजह से ये वेब सीरीज पे प्रतिबंधन लगाया जाए,
ठीक।
ताकि भारतीय संस्कृति का
केसी राममूर्ति टू एसोसिएट, right, very important issue, but there is no law as on now I am told, but it has to be examined. Srimati Chaya Verma.